from your presents.
Yeah.
Did you like my weapons?
Yeah, I brought my Nerf gun too.
Oh, yeah, we have matching ones.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's the bullies.
Wait, I can't see them.
They're right through there.
Oh. Dang it. They're going to make fun of us.
They're going to make fun of us. We're going to have to beat them up this time, okay?
Okay.
I
got my broom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let me turn on my stick saver.
Wait, can you hold on. I have to pull up my pants. They're too low. They're just below my belly button. I have to get them up more.
Oh no, they're coming.
Oh crap. Let's go over here. Oh, it's a rope. Stupid bullies.
Oh god.
Shut up!
Shut up, we'll beat you up. Trusty steed, away!
Ah! Don't shoot me! That could hurt! Ow! Stop it! Stop it! It hurts!
Oh no, they're coming again.
We have to wage war.
Yes.
Let's get ready in attack positions.
Okay. I must set my weapons.
You hit that every time, I'm going to kill you.
Yeah, I know. We have to kill them soon.
Get out of here! This is your territory.
Get on here. This is our territory.
I gotta go. You don't want me messing with our territory.
I have a hockey stick.
You don't want me messing with me. Let's go.
Get out of here! Get out.
This means war! Okay, what do we do now? We have to set up our
I think
camp.
they're coming for us. We should hide and then sneak attack them.
Okay.
Here's your gun.
Okay, thank you. I could use...
Not yet. Yes, they fell down. I think.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to move over here now.
That kid named Kyle.
Oh no, here they come! Hide!
No, you're in here.
You wanna get out too now?
No! No, he loves Star Trek so much.
Star Trek. I think you killed him. Star Trek. I love you.
No! No, we must retreat.
Hey, no, hey, stop. Get over here.
I will do what you're trying to do.
No, I'll kill him.
What is he doing?
Ah!